She just gave me the right piece.
Oh, you did?
So smart.
Good job. So smart that she's eating her boogers.
Thank you, sweetie. Oh, look at that. We got Dora's face. That's amazing. Let's go with her blue dress.
Hey, it's Christmas Eve, 2010.
And Grandma, great-grandma, is trying to do a puzzle.
Dora.
Not easy.
It's not easy, huh?
It's not easy.
Claire, are you helping great-grandma do a puzzle? Oh boy, I gotta get you a tissue, little girl. I see boogers hanging out.
Yeah, don't get that one, kid.
Oh, okay. Their house looks very nice. It's been taken over by a little girl here. We've got all of our knickknacks and toys here now. And they're over here, the kitchen, doing a puzzle. Huh, Claire? Doing a puzzle, huh? One more piece for Dora?
Yeah.
You found another piece for Dora? Oh, good job.
She did.
Good job, Claire.
Look at that. We got Dora's dress. Yeah. That could be the corner. I think this is the corner. Although I don't know.